Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Sidasia and I'm back with another hair tutorial. And this time I'm going to be showing y'all how I got these crimps in my hair. I'm going to show y'all how I styled this half up, half down crimp style on this red wig. So as y'all can see, I started off by brushing it out. Y'all can tell by the texture of the hair that it's already a wavy hair. This is a full lace wig. I'm not sure how long it is. I don't know the density. I don't know where the hair is from. I don't even know exactly what wave pattern it is because I've had this wig for a long time. It's kind of refurbished, but yeah. So the hair was kind of wet, so I just started off by blow drying it out and brushing it out. Next, I'm just going to be parting the hair to see where I want the ponytail, how high I want the ponytail, and how much hair I want in the ponytail. And then I left some pieces out in the front just to give like kind of, just some style to it so that it's not just regular half up, half down. And so I'm just going to keep going around and parting the hair for the ponytail. Now I'm just going to be using my Argan oil mousse just to slick the hair into the ponytail and make sure that it's sleek and there's no bumps or nothing like that. So here I'm just parting off the section of hair that I'm going to be leaving out in the front, the two little dangles. I don't know what it's called. It's not really a bang, like it's way too long to be a bang. But yeah, I'm just going to clip that off and I'm going to take my Got To Be Free spray and take a little piece of hair from the back of the ponytail and wrap it around the hairband so that y'all can't see the hair tie, which I know y'all see in ponytail videos all the time. So I'm just doing that and I'm going to be taking the free spray and I'm just going to keep applying that just to make sure that that part stays like wrapped around the ponytail. And once I'm done that, I'm just taking my blow dryer just to blow dry it in place to make the hairspray hard so that that piece will not move. And as I was doing this video, I realized that this wig didn't have like much baby hairs. I don't really care for baby hairs that much, but I just figured like it needed some. So now I'm just taking my razor and I'm just cutting some baby hairs. So now for the fun part, I'm going to be taking my Head Crimper that I got from Walmart that I stated in my last crimping video that y'all should watch. And yes, so this is not really a crimping tutorial, but y'all can see how I'm doing it. It's not hard at all. I was trying to figure out myself how to do it, but it came out perfect. The crimping tool does everything for you. You really don't have to do anything crazy with your hands or anything like that in order to get a specific pattern. And after every row that I did, I took my Got to Be Free spray and I sprayed it. So that's what I'm doing here. I just finished crimping the part that's left out. And now I'm taking some heat protectant spray that I forgot. I forgot my heat protectant spray and I did not remember until I was literally 80% done. But now I'm just combing out the ponytail and I'm putting that into small sections and I'm just crimping it just like I did the rest of the hair. So that does conclude this tutorial. It was super easy and I hope that you guys liked it. And if you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming every Thursday, so be sure to hit that post notification bell. And yeah, see you in my next video.